Reading Pioneers is proud to present The Berenstain Bears and The Spooky Old Tree by Stan and Jan Berenstain. Three little bears. One with a light, one with a stick, one with a rope. A spooky old tree. Do they dare go into that spooky old tree? Yes, they dare. Three little bears, one with a light, one with a stick, one with a rope. A twisty old stair. Do they dare go up that twisty old stair? Yes, they dare. Three little bears, one with a light, one with a stick, and one with the shivers. A giant key. A moving wall. Will the three little bears go through that wall? Do they dare go into that spooky old hall? Yes, they dare. Three little bears, one with a light, and two with the shivers. Great Sleeping Bear. Do they dare go over Great Sleeping Bear? Do they dare? Well, they came into the tree, they climbed the stairs, they went through the wall and into the hall. So of course they went over Great Sleeping Bear. Three little bears, without a light, without a stick, without a rope, and all with the shivers. How will they ever get out of there? Up a ladder, through the floor, down a slide, and out a door. Three little bears, running fast. Home again, safe at last. Thank you, readers, for joining us today with The Berenstain Bears and The Spooky Old Tree. I really enjoyed the rhyming in the story and showed how daring the three little bears were. But I'd love to hear your opinions of the story. Comment below what you think the three little bears could dare themselves to do next time. Well, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you're interested in other Halloween-related stories, here are some more from our growing library that you may enjoy as well. Until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.